Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, let us see today what your person is going through and whether your person is in a third party relationship and how is everything going in your person's life. At present, your person is waiting for something to happen actually in their life. They are continuously waiting for, I think they are waiting for you to approach them or something like that, because from the time you have left your person or you have gone away from your person's life, or you have stopped communicating with your person, or you have stopped chasing your person is feeling what's wrong with you or what's wrong has gone with you, why you are not chasing him or why you are not chasing him or her, or why you are not contacting him. That thing is bothering your person right now a lot. They are thinking a lot, why, what happened all of a sudden that this person is not paying so much attention on me the way that person used to pay attention on me previously. That's they are thinking. At present, I feel your person is very heartbroken because of whatever has happened between you and them. Because of that, they are definitely heartbroken, but they are trying to heal this hurt. They are trying to heal this hurt, and actually they are sitting quite quietly. They don't know what to do at present, but they are, you can say, you can discussing with their friends or their relatives about what has gone wrong with you. But at present, I even feel that your person is in some kind of toxic relationship also. I feel that your person is in some kind of a toxic relationship or some kind of lust relationship. Definitely they are in some kind of relationship where only sex is more important. Because of sex they are in that relationship of physical intimacy. Because of that only the person is in that kind of relationship and nothing else. Only in this relationship only they want is physical satisfaction. Because of that they are in this relationship. Definitely a person is with someone at present, but only because of physical intimacy a person is that with that person. The person is in a very angry mode. They are feeling that this third person has come between both of you. They feel that you are in relationship with someone else. A third person has come in your life, or another person has come in your life. Because of that you have left them and went away from them. This kind of feeling they are having, and they are very angry because of that. They are just hoping and praying that they are praying a lot that you are single at present, and you come back in their life once again, you approach them. This kind of thoughts they are having right now. They are definitely praying that you remain single only the way you were before, and waiting for them and chasing them. So they are expecting that you come back in their life. Six of Cups, a person is expecting you to come back in their life. This kind of feeling I feel your person is having right now. Let's see what's the energy of your person right now. They are definitely in some physical kind of relationship with some another person. That's for sure. Your person, they knows that you are a very kind-hearted person and very beautiful person who is very soft from inside. They definitely know that, and they think you as an abundance. They know that whenever you come in their life, you bring abundance of love or happiness. This kind of feeling they have when you come in their life, and they are waiting for you to take action. They don't want to take action. They are waiting for you to take action, that you once again approach them and take some action and try to contact them. They are continuously praying for this, that you come in their life back and you try to chase them again. But if you ask me, I think you should wait for a little more, and you should not chase a person at all. Once a person will get clarity in life, that what this relationship is all about, and why they are missing you so much, and why they care for so much, when they will get this clarity of belief, they will strengthen this bond, and this truth will come in front of them. Yeah, you are the person made for them, and this truth will clarify in their mind or in their heart, then only they will come forward and strengthen this bond. Their person will definitely strengthen this bond, but this bond is definitely strong. That's why you both are missing each other so much, and you both are thinking continuously about each other. That's for sure. You both are missing each other. Your person is also missing you there, right now, and once they seek the truth, once they realize the truth that you are the person, they get this clarity that you are the one made for them, then definitely they will come forward and strengthen this bond. I feel so. Now see what the person wants to say you again. Yeah, your person is daydreaming about you a lot, and they are trying to make a decision, but I don't think so they are able to make a decision right now. They want to make a decision, but they are definitely dreaming a lot about you, and building a future with you. They definitely think about this right now, because since you have left them and they are not talking to them, or they are not in talking terms with them, or there is no communication with them, or very little communication, this had made them daydreaming, and they even visualizing what you must be doing right now, or what they will do in future if they contact you. This kind of feeling a person is having right now. This kind of feeling a person is having right now. Yeah, workaholic, fake it, and rejection. Your person actually they are trying to divert their mind by being working a lot, and they are diverting their mind in working in their work. They are diverting their mind to in working, whatever creative work, or any kind of work they are having. They are absorbing completely in work only, and they are feeling very left out, because since you have rejected them and you are not contacting them, they feel rejected and abandoned at right now. The person is feeling completely abandoned right now. So their feeling is very low right now, and they are trying to divert themselves. They're trying to heal themselves by being busy in their work, and absorbing themselves in the work. Okay friends, hope you got some idea what your person is going through right now. If you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.